Hey guys, this is Michael's Paving, doing a little driveway resurface. This is how you pave a driveway. What we're doing here is we're milling it, as we call it in blacktop terms. What you do is it's just like sanding for paint, but we are going to do asphalt instead. We're taking approximately about ½ inch off this driveway here. It's just to establish the base and help it bind together. As you can see, it helps out a lot. If you look deep, there's crevices down there. It helps the blacktop bind to the asphalt. It helps just to make this base nice. We're not using blacktop base. This is just a resurface. This is not a complete rip out. This is a resurface. We cut a little deeper here on the apron. That's just so the blacktop can taper into the road. And the guys here are just cleaning the edge up so we can straighten it up a little bit. No wide, and just get the grass out of the way. He had no extensions, nothing like that. There's just another angle of what we're doing here. We got new concrete here, so we're just gonna mill out this piece here, cut this out, probably rip that up, or mill it down a little bit more. Put some millings in here. The millings is the leftover of the milling machine that it's leaving, the rocks. It's just like 2A. We use it all the time. It's common practice here. Once he gets done milling, we'll broom this down, clean it off, put the millings in this little spot to raise it up so the blacktop can go in here. We'll probably do about 2 inches. 2 inches of blacktop all around everything. We're gonna cut out a little deeper here and just pop this side up so we can have a nice flush blacktop to concrete meet. And other than that, we're really done milling. The next part is just popping it up and cleaning it down, and then roll it, compact the loose stuff, and then that's it. And then we'll start paving here. We're looking good. We got our guy weed killing the edges, just so the weeds don't grow up through the edges. That's the weakest point of the driveway. A little weed kill will help it out. And then he switched attachments on the loader. Now he's just popping up in front of this garage. Having a little trouble. We ain't got no more treads on the loader. We gotta get new ones on that. So we're just popping it up. We're just gonna do a quick scrape and clean everything up with the loader. All done cleaning up here. Put some millings in here. Got done all cleaning up the millings. Put some millings in this area. Remember, this was all dirt here. Built it up a little bit to excavate it. Dug this out here. Put some more millings in here to make it nice. Now he's just compacting it all. Looking good. Now we're ready to pour. As you can see, we're all ready now. We got the blacktop here in the truck. We got this guy out here. He's just lubing the machine up so the blacktop don't stick to it. It gets sticky, so you need to do this so it gets all the stuff loose and all that crazy stuff. We painted the lines out to show where we're going, keep it nice and organized. And there we go. We're going to start laying this after it gets done lubing this up. about the easiest part of the job now, laying the mix. The hard part is just prepping it, getting the grade right, and all that crazy stuff. He's just gonna lube up the end of the tailgate of the truck. And here we go. Once that's done, we're gonna be ready to pave. We just left a little pile. This is so he's gonna spread this blacktop. He's gonna spread this blacktop out so the machine can sit on top of this blacktop. This is the starting point of the machine. He needs this to make it smooth. This helps generate the thickness of where we're starting at. Now he's just looping it just to make it a little flat. Just set the paver on the pad I showed you. Now we're just gonna open the gates up. Press a couple of these levers, gate, blacktop out. He's controlling it right now. He's gonna push this knob forward. The thing will go forward. We just pulled one out. We got on this, rolled it back and forth a couple times. Let it get a little smooth compaction. Just not enough. And then we're doing another pad right here so we can set the paver on. He's gonna loop it, flatten it out, and then we're gonna reset it, pull it out, match this seam, and go from there. We're all done here. Looks like glass. That's how you pave a driveway. Resurface. Now we're just cleaning up, loading the equipment on, calling it a day. That's Mike's paving.